Uh-oh. Here come Bryson. He stood right there in the doorway. And when I started Facebook Live, here he come. This is a smart dog. Bryson, sit down. I told him I was about to do the Facebook Live because, y'all, I just got some great news that totally made my day. Hey, Michelle, what's up? How are you doing today? How are you? Listen, y'all know I love it when you guys tell me your city, your state, or your country. So where you coming in from? Because I got a praise report, guys. I got a praise report. Okay, this is for real. This is real. Yes, it's for real. It's for real. So, one of my clients, I'm not going to mention her name, okay, because I don't know if she wants me to mention her name. If she comes on and she says it's okay, great. I will share it. Of course, you can share it, but, you know, people like privacy and stuff, right? But she just messaged me, and she said, oh, Bryson's messing with my stuff, that she is down 3 pounds in 3 days. She started on Tuesday, right? Okay, and so if she wants to say, hey, it's me, or something like that, then I can like reveal it, okay? But I don't want to do it without the person's permission. So if she comes on, that would be great, okay? But really, shout out to her, okay? Shout out to her because she put her trust and her faith in what I was saying, right? And so I tell you, all right, Valerie said it. She said she's here. She's here. Yes, so it's Valerie. So everybody give Valerie hearts, 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 hearts. Congratulations, right? Listen, Valerie, I'm going to tell you, you just really made my day. Like, for real, for real. Like, sometimes when you're out here and you're doing this and you know that what you have works, right? But, man, sometimes the enemy comes in and tries to snare stuff and take stuff from you. Yes, you should be excited. You are doing phenomenal, right? So tell them what you're taking, Valerie. What are you taking? Or if you want me to tell them, I'll tell them. But first, I just wanted to thank you for trusting me and putting your trust and your faith in me, right? You went to the website, you ordered, right? And, you know, we tracked it. I remember you calling me. We tracked the order and everything, make sure everything was coming to you on time. And, you know, and I gave you the instructions of what to do, right? I can tell them, okay, so she's on the tea, all right? You're on the brewed tea. Yeah, she's on the brewed tea because I think that when she made the tea at first, I think you said you made the tea Monday, and she made the tea incorrectly, which is easy to make it incorrectly. All right, it's easy. Again, that's why you need someone that you can talk to. Look at my shoulders, guys. I'm getting muscular in my shoulders. Y'all see that? Used to be a bunch of fat there. But anyway, she made the tea incorrectly. But we had a conversation, and we even did like a video. She said, well, can I see you on video? Fine, no problem, right? And so we talked about it. I went over again how to make it, to make sure she made it correctly, and I gave her suggestions from there, you know. And so boom, but I knew that if you're using the products correctly, it's gonna work. So she's on the tea and the resolution, okay? The tea and the resolution, which is our new control kit, okay? That just came out like, what was it, last Friday? That kit is phenomenal, right? You get the tea, the month supply tea, and you get the resolution drops, right? Now, those two together, excellent. For like, I think it's like 109. That's excellent, right? And that's what you need for the month. Now, you know, I will tell you, Valerie, if you start to get to a point where you have lack of energy or anything like that, You can put the life drops to that, okay? Or you can do the NRG, all right? So that's just a little tidbit, but right now you got the basics of what you need, and you can continue on with that. But I'm just saying, if you get to a point where you feel like you don't have as much energy, then those are some things that you can do, and that energy is going to really boost your weight loss even more, and the NRG will too. Okay, because like Neela was doing the NRG, and that boosted her, so she went from like a 1 pound or 2 pound loss to like 10 pounds the next week. Yeah. So I'm just giving you that, but right now you got everything that you need, and I just want to thank you for putting your trust in me. I'm still with you. I'm still holding your hand, right? But I want to make sure that you continue on. Look, if you're like me, I would be rewarding myself with food, but you got to change the way you're thinking. But the drops are going to help you do that too, right? Because it's not going to let you slip up. But don't be testing it, okay? Just follow the plan. Follow the approved foods list, okay? And it should get easier and easier and easier for you as you move along in this process, okay? Well, that's really all I wanted to say. Valerie, if there's anything else you want to say, let me know. Listen, if you want to come on camera and share it with the people live, if you want to do that, do it. Put it in there. Let me see. I don't know how to do this. Let me see. Okay, this is what I'm going to do. If you want to, okay? But I'm really, really proud of you. And I was telling you last time that you don't even have to work out. I mean, I know you said,
Hey, how are you?
oh, girl, are you or what?
I'm so excited. Yeah,
Good.
I'm so happy. I lost a little 3 pounds, girl. 3 down.
Girl, oh, you done gone into another look. I remember I'm not going to tell you weight now, but I'm telling mine. What I used to be 235 pounds, right?
Mhm.
And dreaming of the time when I got under into the 190 somethings, right?
Yeah.
That's like historic moment, right?
Yes.
And I vowed to myself I would never go back above that again, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
So I'm telling you, this is awesome, girl.
And let me tell you, this tea works. The tea works. The tea and the drops work. It's a good combination. And like I said, I was shocked this morning when I got on the scale and I saw that I had lost 3 pounds. I called up my girl. I was like, "Girl, I lost 3 pounds already." She said, "What?" I said, "Yeah, I was so excited, so excited." Yeah. So thank you so
Good.
much. And like I said, I'm gonna continue on with the plan that I said I was gonna do and stuff like that, so I could get the rest of this weight off.
All right.
Yeah.
You on your girl, you on your way.
Yeah.
That's weight that's lost, okay? Real weight that's lost. So just continue on with the program. Take it day by day, right?
Mm,
Okay?
okay.
Don't don't celebrate with food, but don't do that.
All
Don't.
right. I won't. I won't.
Find other ways to celebrate. Girl, buy you some shoes, an outfit, some jewelry, stuff like that.
Okay.
Anything that's gonna learn how to celebrate the
Look,
victories.
I bought this today.
She already
I'm already on it.
own it. You already own it. So that's
Hmm.
it. That's it. And every time you look at that bracelet, every time you look that, you need to look at it, and that has meaning for you, right?
Hmm.
I want you to continue to wear that bracelet, right?
All right.
And I want you to look down at it. If times get a little look down at that bracelet. That's an achievement, okay?
Yeah. All right. I will.
I'm so excited.
Thank you.
Well, thank you so much for coming on. I know it was plan this at all, but I thank you for coming on because your story is going to help a lot of other people. Okay?
Thank you, and I hope it does.
It will. It
Yeah.
will. It's a way out. All
Yeah.
right, guys. Well, look,
All
I'm going
right.
to go.
Okay. Have a great day.
Okay, you too.
All
Bye
right. Bye
bye.
bye.